Do you know how to make crispy fried chicken delicious? I'll give you this $1 million formula today. If you learn how to make it yourself, you can do it secretly. Prick the chicken leg with a toothpick. It is convenient to taste. Put a spoonful of minced garlic, a spoonful of chives, a spoonful of salt, 5 spices, pepper. Finally, another tablespoon of shincho and haoyu. Grab it by hand and mix it evenly. Refrigerate for about 4 hours. Let's start making batter. First, prepare 2 spoonfuls of flour, a spoonful of starch. Put a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of pepper. Stir well and set aside. Prepare another empty bowl. Beat in an egg. Put a spoonful of flour, a spoonful of starch. Then pour in pure milk. Stir it into a thinner batter. Put the marinated chicken legs into the batter. Wrap a layer of stirred batter and shake it. When the oil is 60% hot, fry it in a pot. Deep fry until the surface is yellowish. Take it out, raise the oil temperature and recheck it again. Just fry until the surface is golden yellow. Guys, the crispy fried chicken made in this way is better than that sold in the store. Remember to like it. Thank you.